to ensure that Kenya's financial systems and businesses are not exploited by criminal elements to facilitate money laundering and other illicit activities. This is according to stakeholders participating in the inaugural Kenya Anti-Financial Crime Summit that is aiming to create a sustainable environment where businesses can thrive. The flagship event is bringing together industry experts to discuss the implications of Kenya's recent grey listing by the Financial Action Task Force.
Our strategy and the purpose of this conference is how fast can we get out of it. We were grey listed in February 2024. We have this 2-year window to put our act together. We want to put our act together quickly and make sure that Kenya is out of the grey list.
If we have a unity of purpose, the implementation and the action, both for the sake of our country and for the sake of our international obligations, will move way much faster.
This working group needs to be equipped, and very quickly we need to enact that regulation to be able to not have cryptocurrencies under the table, but when they are regulated, they will be over the table and they will be sight of it, and more than that, there would be protection of the consumers who are using those kind of channels, because there will be regulation governing it.
Residents and leaders in Kilifi County